poppin', bitches? See my fucking arm? I gotta get surgery on my arm today. Fucking stupid. Fucking, I'm getting a manicure right now. Good morning. And I heard you know who shot your mans. Good morning, what's poppin'? What's up? How y'all doing today? What's up, y'all? You know, they done crippled the crip, you heard? They crippled your lope, like, damn. And hit your boy with a 5 shot, you heard? Rock rounds crazy. You know we ain't getting motherfucking, you know I ain't sending my boy nowhere. You know I ain't sending my boy nowhere without the fucking... You understand what I'm saying? Without the Draco. You heard? Who doing my manicure? Not you. I done lost so much that I can't shed no tears no more. But I'm 10 toes. I still hear my homie voices when the wind blows. We was really in it. We would extend those.
So dramatic. Nigga, if y'all don't start this fucking battle and stop with all these fucking commercials on some pay-per-view shit,